Hey everybody, would you believe it's been about a year during the whole COVID lockdown, couldn't get permits, couldn't get inspections, all that. Well, during this whole time, by myself, the majority of the time, I've been working on this house. This is our 1940 project, which is not 100% done, but it's like 99.9%. The new tenant moves in 2 weeks. So let's go inside and I'll show you everything that I've been doing. First, I'd like to show you the stairs that I just did. I just did these yesterday. Again, I still got to parge the front there, which is like parging like a coat of cement on it to make it look nicer. Those are the old steps. And remember, if you see the old ones, see if I can post a picture. And now we're gonna go inside. And number 7. And here we are. Ooh, turn some lights on here. Oh, there we go. All right. Look at this. All new sheetrock, insulation, electric, plumbing, doors, trim, the floors, all brand new. Here's we go into the kitchen. Refrigerator still not in yet. There's all new kitchen. I mean, we're talking new. Everything you're looking at. In case you're wondering, these cabinets are just nothing great. They're decent, but nothing special. That all came from your Home Depot, ones you see there. Over here, a full-size washer and dryer. Works out pretty good. And the bathroom. Sink, toilet. This is a whole bathtub. If you remember, we had a stall shower in this bathroom before that was ready to fall through the floor. And I went with this subway tile. The tiles ended up costing me about $100 for all the tiles, opposed to a fiberglass surround that cost like $300. New ceramic tile. Boom, all the floor, down, show you around. New 200 amp electrical service. Why 200 amp for a small house like this? Well, because the wire went underground. So give you a picture outside. The wire is underground there. And by code, that has to be a 200 amp wire, not really a service. But I went with it anyway because everything was electric. There's a closet that put in here. That's our hot water heater, instant on demand. Anybody looking into one of those? If you're in a cold region of the world, don't bother. It's not worth it. Let's go into the bedroom here. The only one bedroom. And here's our bedroom. You can see I still have to paint the doors and the trim. Really, I think that's about all. What I got to do here? Yeah, doors, trim, as far as paint, refrigerator, shower rod I know I have to do. I don't think I need any. I think I'm done after that. 100% done. Now this whole floor is new. The subfloor under it is new, and all the framing, about 80% of the framing is new. You can remember back when we started, the bathroom was always in that corner of the house, but there was a closet next to it, which was for the boiler, which took up an enormous amount of room. I decided, being that it was so small, to take it out and go with electric heaters throughout the whole house, which shouldn't be that bad. Again, everything super new. Even that wall is all new. This wall obviously is new here because initially this wall came out way over here. It was just an opening. Over here was an old built-in cabinet, and there was a door right there that led outside, which I really like the door, but the kitchen is small enough, and then having that door just really wouldn't make it work at all. So that's it on our 1940 project. Let me take you outside and show you some of the outside. Well, I think I might have showed this to you before. All new siding, All new electric going in. Back to the other side. And, you know, all new siding, windows. A new roof I'm going to put on soon enough, but not in any hurry. It's fine. We just installed the septic system, closed all that up. And you can see, because it just stormed like crazy over here. You can see we got some big puddles in there, and those puddles need to be taken care of. So I got to let that ground settle a little bit more, then grade that off a little better. And this is our next project here. I've been removing the 2 additions that were on it, or actually 4 additions. What a bad job. So that's all coming down. Our little hut there, unfortunately, is coming down because it's falling down, and it's just too involved to save it. Next will be a concrete sidewalk going in here to the little parking area that I just made, and this job will be complete. Oh, that's it. That's our 1940 house. If you remember way back, I'm going to see if I can post some clips in between of how bad this house actually was. So during the course of about a year in my spare time, it's what I did. It's like, boy, it's almost better off just knocking it down and building something new. But with the fear of the town, which pretty much is the truth, the town would not have allowed me to rebuild it because the back of the house, it's only 10 feet off the property line, and they want more. And so that means I couldn't use the foundation over. So to eliminate all that BS, I just said, just fix it up, you know. Whatever, it's done, it's over. It's gonna be rented in a couple of weeks, and now I got the income coming in, which is a cool deal. Anyway, stay waiting for the next one. That's gonna be, that house was built in 1840. Hey. Okay, thanks for watching.